Daan,
Yes.
what did you get?
I got a ball joint press to get this out, but I'm afraid it's too big, and it is too big. So we need to find something else to press it out.
Oh. Rip.
Yeah. But you can press it around this, so that's already the thing. At one point, so then you can put pressure on it and on the other side can press it out. Yeah. But we can just put this through it. It doesn't matter that much, right?
Yeah, maybe. So yeah, we're trying to get some bushings out. That's basically the plan.
Yeah. The last bushings. Then we have all the bushings out, and let's show you. Already all in.
Nice.
These I used it myself. These are the regular ones, but the only thing I need to do with Rudy were those.
Oh yeah, the
Rudy's lower control arm ball joints.
Yeah.
These boys.
Yeah. Rudy also did the MOT on the Subi, so it can go for another year. But one thing that happened with Subi is it was sitting in the sun, and the strips we put on just they melted. Well, the glue melted. They're in there, so we need to figure something out to make them stick better.
Yeah.
I walked up to my car one afternoon and they were just laying on the ground next to it. And on this side, they're still stuck on pretty well. So I'm pretty sure it's the sun that did it, because the other side had the sun on it for a bit. All right, the bushing press thing is on, and Daan is gonna see if he can ugga bugga the thing.
Let's see. Exciting stuff. It's out.
See, it works.
Like a charm.
I bet you now it's completely stuck in the cup.
No.
It's not? Oh, nice.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, that works really
we're
well.
car mechanics.
Yeah.
Not too shabby. Okay, let's get some coffee. I already had some coffee, but let's get you some coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother got a new coffee machine, so he made me some cappuccino. So we got the cylinder here, the adapter here. Here is our clamp. This is gonna push the bushing out into the cylinder, and we got our agadaga to do it.
And we got some coffee.
Are you ready? There it is. Easy as that.
Yeah.
One, the oldie bushing.
Okay, so what's next?
We're gonna clean this
clean
a bit,
that a bit. Yeah.
because it's a bit crusty, and get the new ones in.
Can you press the new ones in with this thing as well?
You can, but it's not necessary. I have done the other ones by hand, you know.
Oh, they're the two parts.
Yeah, of course.
Because these are one part.
Yeah, these are just old rubber bushings, and we're putting polyurethane in, of course.
Yeah.
You can't press them in.
Polyurethane.
Yeah.
Polyurethane. Not polyurethane.
Polyurethane.
It's not a type of terrain.
Polyurethane.
Anyways,
fuck you, I'm gonna do what you tell me. So we got our best friend Dremel.
little metal spongy thing. Let's see what it does.
I think it works quite well, you see. He's dremeling this side and we just did the other side. So that now looks pretty clean. So now we're gonna get the bushings and put them in. I have the bushings right here, so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm working on getting these bushings in. So the bushings are in on both sides. We have the cylinder in. How the f is this called? I hate this. Doing it with one hand. But so I'm just trying to get a glue clamp on it. But it's a fucking hassle, mate.
And your fingers are also nicely lubed with the lube of hell.
Come on. Get the fuck on it. There, we got it. Okay, how's your side coming on? Getting on.
Smooth.
Yeah, oh, so you can also do that side now.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Shove it up in there.
I got these off the internet because they were cheap, but I'm finding some worrisome stuff on it. So the brand is called Queen, could be. It has good elasticity. Okay, sure. Tensile strong sex.
What?
What do you mean with that?
It actually says that.
Tensile strong sex. and oil resistivity. So I think they're multi-purpose.
All the bushings are in, and now it's time for Captain Subframe.
The savior of Autopia. So it's time. We're gonna start with the subframe. And we only did it 1.5 years faster than with your car.
Yeah.
It's quite an improvement.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about how I'm gonna have to edit out this, or edit past this music somehow. Thanks, Daan.
Maybe I need to put it out.
Maybe. Ah, f it. Okay, so Daan, what went wrong there?
Everything.
Yeah, basically, this needs to turn 180 degrees.
Yeah, but then I did this on the wrong side or something.
I don't know what's up, but that won't fit the way it was.
Let's first think about it a bit more.
I think it needs to turn 180 degrees, or else it won't work.
Oh, sure are we?
I'm pretty sure.
Let's look at the old one.
Daan is now also just pre-cleaning all the bolts and nuts before he puts them on.
Yeah, because I had one that was doing really difficult, and then it gets too hot, it expands, and then it really becomes impossible. So now,
Who knew that?
cleaning bolts and WD-40 a bit works.
Yeah.
Don't know if it's the proper method, but who cares? It's simple. Okay.
We have a new visitor.
Hey!
It's your boy. And Daan
So-
is explaining what went wrong.
Yeah, this needs to be on this side, and it's of course a steel brake line, so we can't move it. And now, and on the other side, you also can't get it through, but you can't move it back because it's on the wrong side here. So we need to get the subframe off.
And also you broke a bolt.
Yeah, but it's not that bad because I think this is very thin, and I can still get something on, and then
Alright.
will be enough, right? It's just a clip.
Probably.
And one is good, one isn't.
What's your professional assessment?
But so we finally found the mushroom bolts. We're cleaning them up a little bit to make sure they go in smoothly, and it seemed fine on the test run. So we're just gonna try it.
So we got both our guys now cleaning some metal.
Just a bit crusty. So apparently we need to reuse these brackets. What is it like, Jim?
Well, I've been dremeling at it for about 7 days and 3 minutes.
God has created
It's-
Earth
it's-
in less time.
Yeah, it's like archaeology. Like you think you're taking rust away, and you think, oh, this is a smooth bit, and you go over it, and it breaks off, and there's more rust.
Multiple layers of rust.
It's like those games where the end boss dies and he has another stage or something.
You know,
It is.
you know how I would have looked at it? Like, if I hadn't done this, we wouldn't have found it. They're better than before. We just hammer ride them and pray they don't break the first 5 years.
I will admit though, the Daan's unit looks cleaner.
Let me show this. But here, it's all rust. It's all of this, the inside. Nothing but rust. And all of this, what you see, everything is rust. It's like that meme with the astronauts. It was rust all along, always has been.
And there's even some nature. So while Jim is still working on his degree in archaeology, Daan has given up in ops for chemistry. Make sure that the spray doesn't get blown into Jim's bumper.
Who cares?
Right, we're adding some more layers. We got a bunch of the rust off. Not all of it, because Daan was impatient.
So the option is to just cover it in paint and hope for the best.
Yeah, now I'm adding another layer. These things look like frogs. Nice, the overspray going straight into my car.
Yeah.
Well, that's better.
Just a bit on the fingers, that's it.
What did Bob Ross say?
Let's give him a friend.
Okay, this little frog has a little frog friend.
So that's it for today's video. See you in the next vid.